Hello kids, today we learn about vowels and consonants. First, let's begin with alphabet letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Yes, kids, there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Alphabet letters are divided into two parts: vowels and consonants. Vowels and consonants. In alphabet, there are 5 special letters and they are A, E, I, O and U. These 5 special letters are called vowels. So, there are 5 vowels in English alphabet. Children, once more you repeat with me. There are 5 vowels in English alphabet. A, E, I, O, U. Except vowels, other letters are called consonants. And they are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. All these letters are consonants. So, there are 21 consonants. In English, all words are the combination of vowels and consonants. While we pronounce vowels, our teeth and tongue aren't used. Let's identify vowels and consonants. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Here, first letter is C. C is a consonant. Next letter is A. A is a vowel. Third letter is T. T is a consonant. In this word cat, one vowel A and two consonants C and T are used. Egg. E-G-G. Egg. First letter is E. E is a vowel. Second letter is G. And G is a consonant. Third letter is also G. Here, consonant G is used 2 times. So, in this word, one vowel E and one consonant G is used. Eyes. I-C-E. Eyes. Here, first letter is I. I is a vowel. Next letter is C. C is a consonant. The third letter is E. E is a vowel. In this word, eyes, 2 vowels and 1 consonant is used. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Here, first letter is S. S is a consonant. Next letter is U. U is a vowel. The third letter is N. N is a consonant. In this word sun, one vowel U and two consonants S and N are used. Book. B-O-O-K. Book. First letter is B and B is a consonant. Next letter is O. O is a vowel. Third letter is also O. Fourth letter is K and K is a consonant. Here vowel O is used two times. So in this word one vowel O and two consonants B and K are used. Now kids, it's your time to identify vowels and consonants. Bag. B-A-G. Bag. First letter is B. Now tell me, B is a vowel or consonant? Yes, B is a consonant. Next letter is A. Children, tell me, A is a vowel or consonant? Very good. Children, A is a vowel. Next letter is G. Yes, G is a consonant. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Here, first letter is A. Kids, now you tell me, A is a vowel or consonant? Yes, very good. A is a vowel. Next letter is P. Yes, P is a consonant. Third letter is also P. So this P is also consonant. Next letter is L. Tell me, L is a vowel or consonant? Yes, L is a consonant. Last letter is E. Children, now think and answer. Yes, E is a vowel. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. First letter is K. Now tell me, K is a vowel or consonant? Well done, children. It is a consonant. Next letter is I. Yes, I is a vowel. Third letter is T. Very good, children. T is a consonant. And the last letter is E. Children, now you tell me, E is a vowel or consonant? Yes, E is a vowel. House. H-O-U-S-E. House. First letter is H. So think and answer. H is a vowel or consonant? Very good. H is a consonant. Next letter is O. Yes, O is a vowel. Next letter is U. Very good, children. U is also a vowel. Fourth letter is S. Think and answer me. Yes, S is a consonant. Last letter is E. Very good, children. E is a vowel. So children, now you easily identify vowels and consonants. Please viewers, give your comments in the comment section